Hello Virgos, welcome to Beauty True Tarot, and this is your reading from 3rd of March to 9th of March. So let's check what are the messages for you. Messages for Virgos. King of Cups. Princess of Wands. Six of Wands. Knight of Pentacles. Two of Wands. So Virgos, it looks like that someone from your past wants you back. With this Knight of Pentacles, this person might appear out of nowhere, and this person wants to say something. It's like this breakup or the separation you both had. A lot was left unsaid, and they wanted to put their view on the table. They wanted to give their explanation. They wanted you to understand them, but they could never say all those things at that point. But now this person, after a long thought, wants to express themselves, because probably this person was someone who always protected their feelings, who was not very open with the feelings that they have. They were not expressing much, and now it's a time they feel like that they should have said what they were thinking of. They should have told you about their feelings on the right time, but no matter what, they feel like still it's not too late. They can tell you what they feel about you, how they feel about you. So you can expect someone unexpected, and you can hope to listen something that you always wanted to listen from this person. It's like you were waiting for them to say those things when they were in a relationship with you, but they didn't do it then, and now they want to say everything. With the Six of Wands, Virgo, I see you happy. I see like you feel like a victor, you feel like a winner, and it's a feeling where you feel that you have finally made it. You finally came out of this chaos, came out of this trouble, and finally you know the mind of your person, because I see that you are interested in them. You see them as Princess of Wands. This person is charming. This person is attractive. This person is energetic. Probably they are immature. They are young. But whatever it is, you love them. You love their persona. And you cannot ignore them no matter what. So it's kind of lovely to listen everything from them, and they are opening up, and you will come to know the things that you always expected to listen, but you thought like it's not possible. They will never open up. They will never let you know what they're thinking, what they feel. But now is the time. With this King of Cups, I feel like that this person sees you as someone responsible. They know that you might be someone who is closed, who is not so open. Probably you are someone who doesn't take interest in everyone. It's like you don't like socializing much. I don't mean that you are antisocial or you don't want people around you. No, I simply mean that you are conserved, you are reserved. And with this King of Cups, it shows someone who is responsible, who is well behaved, who has a mature side. I mean, Princess of Wands thinks that you are opposite of them. and opposite is doing its work. It's attracting them, and somehow they feel like you can provide them stability, you can provide them the calm they need in their life. This person is someone who is restless, someone who takes decisions quickly, and someone who changes their mind every moment. So probably they need your guidance. They know that you are the one, you can help them get through everything, and they wish that you didn't take that breakup or that argument too seriously, because they hope to come back. They want to correct everything. They want to say those things that they didn't say earlier. With the Two of Wands, you have to be very careful with your health, Virgo, and I feel like the way is there. There is always a way to make it work, and the universe is offering you that way. This person is there. They are serious about you now, so it's up to you whether you choose to work on it or whether you want to leave it. But someone is allowing you in their life, and things are going in the right direction. However, this is a general reading. This is not going to resonate for all, and the energy could be reversed as well. You can check your moon and rising sign as well. So let's check some more energy for you. Queen of Swords, the Devil, the Hanged Woman, Ace of Swords, and Ten of Pentacles. So Queen of Swords. Looks like, Virgo, you're not alone. This person is from past. They want to reconnect, and there is someone else around you as well. You might not be taking this person seriously, but for this ex, this person is Devil. They are jealous of your new relationship. They are possibly jealous of a close friend, because they feel like that they are trying to take their place. And with the card of the Devil, I see them having all the negative thoughts. They are over analyzing the things, whoever they see you with. They feel like that you are involved romantically with them, you are having an affair with them, and Princess of Wands just doesn't like that. Okay, because of course this person is immature. They don't understand what is happening. They just make their decisions on half knowledge. So this person might say something that will just break you down. With this Ace of Swords, they are overreacting. It's like you are with a friend, they show up and they say things that is going to hurt you because you didn't expect that. You don't understand why this person is behaving in this way, but this person is really jealous. They don't know how to digest these things, because you are admired, you have a lot of people around. Although you might not be taking interest in everyone, but this person assumes that you are flirting with everyone, and every person that they see that is meeting you, they feel like that they are going to take you away from them. With this Queen of Swords, your person feels rejected. Your person feels like they are abandoned and you are not going to come back, and possibly that's driving them insane. And this person is intolerant of the situation. With this Ten of Pentacles, I see you happy. I see you enjoying with your family and friends, and there's everything right apart from this relationship. Let's check an oracle message for you. Gaia, Earth connection. Be mindful of the planets, come back to Earth, stay grounded. So, right now, Virgo, the oracle is telling you to stay grounded because the other person is immature. The other person is saying things that you cannot believe, that you cannot accept or you cannot digest. So, right now, you need to be calm because the other person is out of control and they have this high and emotional energy in them, and somehow they are behaving in a reckless way. So you need to be calm, you need to handle this person with patience and stay grounded. Okay, so this was the reading for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video, bye.